Welcome back to our PySpark tutorial series. In today's video, we will explore the different approaches to creating a Spark context in different versions of Apache Spark. Creating a Spark context is essential for establishing a connection to a Spark cluster and enables us to harness the power of Spark. Let's get started. In Spark version 1.x, the recommended approach to creating a Spark context is relatively straightforward. We import the SparkContext class from the PySpark module and use the constructor to create a SparkContext object. We provide an application name as a parameter, for example, MySparkApplication. From the SparkContext, we can see that we are running the Spark application MySparkApplication in a local Spark cluster with Spark version v3.4.1. And the Spark UI is a web-based graphical interface provided by Apache Spark that offers insights into the status and performance of Spark applications. It provides information about jobs, stages, executors, SQL queries, and storage, helping users monitor and optimize their Spark jobs. Once we finish using the Spark cluster, we can call the stop function to shut down the currently active Spark context. However, in Spark version 2.x and later, the preferred entry point is the Spark session. Let's take a look at how to create a Spark context within a Spark session. Here, we import the Spark session class from the PySpark.SQL module. We use the builder pattern to create a Spark session object, providing an application name like MySparkApplication. Then, we obtain the Spark context from the Spark session using the SparkContext attribute. Again, the Spark context contains info about the cluster version, application name, and the URL of the Spark UI. And you can shut down the currently active Spark context by calling the stop function from the Spark context or Spark session object. That's all for creating a Spark context in different versions of Apache Spark. You've learned the recommended approach for Spark 1.x and how to create a Spark context within a Spark session in Spark 2.x and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting Spark tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.